Hi, so today we're going to learn about the easy to use graphic design tool, which is Canva, just the basics. And to start, let's just go to your browser and then type in canva.com. They also have an app for free that you could use, and then let's try to create a motivational quote for a Facebook post. So just simply type in Facebook post. It would give you a lot of templates with an optimal size compatible for Facebook post. So just choose any of the templates here. So let's try this one. And I'm gonna be using a quote from Dev Chandan, which is who is the founder of Weblike. So let's change that to powering your digital dreams, taking your business ahead. So you could just simply change the color and the size as well for the text depending on your preference. So for that, just drag and grab. You could also change the colors or so on, and then you could also change the elements, like the photo. You could upload your own photo or search here, like let's just say for a businessman, since we're talking about business. So just drag here. You could also adjust, and then if you would like to change the color of the background, let's just change that to green. Yeah, that looks better. And if you're happy with the design, you could just download from here. On the upper right, it has the download button. You could change the file type or so on. So I'm happy with PNG since I would like a high quality image. Then just tap download. So using Canva, you could create social media posts, documents, posters, invitations, or any visual content that you need. It's user friendly and you don't need to have design skills. There are 1,000 templates that are ready to use. So yeah, I hope you learned something today and I hope you have a great day. Bye.